Hello my dear student, we are discussing topic nutrition in plants, and in which we learned about two types of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and also heterotrophic nutrition. Today I am going to describe heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some plants which do not have chlorophyll, they cannot make their own food like humans and animals, and such non-green plants depend on the food produced by other green plant. This is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Let us study in detail about different types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. First one is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Sapro means dead and decaying, and trophic means nutrition. So we can say that the mode of nutrition in which the non-green plants obtain their nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals is called saprotrophic nutrition. For example, Indian pipe and coral root, in which fungi present in the root and they get the food material in the form of nitrogen. Next one is the parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which some plants live in or on the body of other living organism and get their ready-made food from them is called parasitic nutrition. For example, Cuscuta plant. Cuscuta means amarbeil is a non-green plant. It does not have chlorophyll. It cannot make its own food. Next is symbiosis. Symbiosis means mutual relationship. Mutual relationship. We can say that the mutual association in which two different types of organisms live and work together for their mutual benefits is called symbiosis. For example, Rhizobium and lichen. Rhizobium is a bacteria live in the root nodules of leguminous plant like pea and provide them nitrogen in a soluble form. And lichens are the most amazing form of life. A lichen is actually composed of two distinct organisms, that is algae and fungi. They live and work together. And last one is the insectivorous plant, that is a special mode of nutrition. A few plants feed on insect for fulfilling their nitrogen requirements. Such plants are known as insect-eating plants, are called insectivorous plant. For example, pitcher plant, Utricularia, Venus flytrap and Drosera are some insectivorous plants. They are generally green plants. Therefore, they can prepare their own food, but for preparing proteins, they cannot get nitrogen from the surroundings, the insect on which they feed and fulfill their nitrogen requirements. When an insect lands on this type of insect eating plants, the trapped insect gets entangled in the hair, and they digest the insect by secreting digestive juices. So these are different kinds of heterotrophic mode of nutrition which is found in plants.